What's the meaning of blast furnace? Blast furnace. Blast furnace.
Blast furnace. Blast furnace. A blast furnace is a type of furnace used in the production of iron and steel. It works by blasting hot air into the furnace, which raises the temperature to over 1,500 degrees Celsius, 2,732 degrees Fahrenheit, and melts the iron ore. The molten iron is then drained off and used to make various steel products. Blast furnaces are typically large structures with a cylindrical shape and are made out of steel plates lined with fire brick. They are an important part of the steel industry and have been used since the 18th century to produce the vast amounts of steel needed for modern technology and infrastructure.